All right, good afternoon, everybody. Hope you don't mind if I have a little script here to remind myself of all the questions to answer here. So my name is Max Schwaner. I am from Southern California, born in Laguna Beach, and I've lived in Oceanside for a good majority of my life. I'm going to be teaching mathematics at Del Lago Academy. The specific class is called Math 11, which through looking through the textbook, it looks to be about pre-calculus level high school math, which is fun. I like that subject area. Something about math that excites me is I love solving problems, and I like puzzles too. And every problem that I've faced always has that kind of approach for it to me, and the gratification of solving it is really kind of fun too. Furthermore, I love the kind of procedural thinking that it can get me in, approaching problems in this kind of way, and I love to be able to share that with others. Something I like about online learning, I'm pretty independent by nature, and so I love the online learning platform because of how it facilitates me to better manage my time and therefore my free time, which leads into the last question that we have, something that I like to do in my free time. I have a lot of interests, so I really, really value my free time. I surf, I love to hike, I like puzzles, so Sudoku is great. I like to read, I play piano, love video games. Really looking forward to, on the subject of books and video games and all that, one of my favorite novels and series is a science fiction novel and series called Dune, and there is a new movie coming out this year that I really, really can't wait for. I hope we're going to be able to sit in a theater by the time it's released. That's about it for me, and I look forward to seeing and hearing from everybody else. Cheers!